Now, today, let's start with chapter number 5, People at Work. So, in this chapter, we will study about different people do different types of occupation. So, what is occupation? So, people work to earn money, or any work done to earn money is called occupation. There are many jobs which cannot do on our own. So, कुछ सारा का ऐसा काम होता है कि जो हम अपने आप नहीं कर सकते. So, for that, we need other people. Now, Neelam has given an assignment by her teacher to interview some people at work around her. So, let us read about what information she collected about that. So, different occupation. So, Dr. Ramesh Kapoor is a doctor. He treats sick people, he diagnosed their disease and prescribed medicine to them. So, Dr. Kapoor studied medicines 5 years after passing class 12th to become a doctor. Right? So, Mr. Mohan Arora is a teacher. He teaches the students in a school. He did B.Ed after completing his graduation from government college to become a teacher. And what they become? Teacher. Now, Ramdas is a cobbler. He mends shoes and makes footwear. He repairs purses, bags also, and he learned this work from his father. So, from where did he learn this work? From his father. Next, Pavan is an embroider. He embroidered ladies' suits and saris with needle and threads, and this art he learned at very young age. Now, Angad Singh is a driver. He drives public vehicles such as bus, truck. At 18 years of age, he went to a mother driving school to learn driving and got his driving license. Now, Prem Mittal is a pilot. He always wanted to travel to different places. He took flying lessons and got commercial pilot license to fly aeroplanes. He is presently working with Air India. So, Mala is an engineer. As a child, she loved to play with building blocks. After class 12, she cleared the entrance test and got admission in the engineering college. Now, she builds bridges and buildings, and she believes that the work hard makes everything possible. So Anand is a potter. He makes pot, diyas and lamps on his pottery. He was only 5 years old when his father started teaching him the art of pottery. ठीक है, वो कितने साल का था? सिर्फ he was only 5 years old. Next is he used knives and pieces of fine wires and metals for wax making pots and carving design of them. Now Naveen is a tailor. He stitches clothes using needle and thread and having sewing machine. He learned this art from his mother. Now, Madan is a cycle mechanic. He had a shop in front of the bus stand in Ramnagar. His father started repair work under tree, but today Naveen has made a small shop at some places. Now, uniforms, they are the special clothes worn by people in some profession. People who wear uniform can be easily identified as a part of a group. So, uniform helps people to bond and give a feeling of unity. एक feeling of unity देता है like students, chauffeur, pilot, guard, and hooker inspector. They are unusual occupations where the inspector uses hooked instruments. Now, occupation for men and women. Now, earlier, most jobs were done by men that they learned the skills from fathers. They started off at the early ages. By the time they grew up and they have learned more skills of their trade, women are supposed to do only the household chores. But nowadays, times have changed. Women are working as doctor, pilot, conductor, astronaut. There are some people who still think that girls must follow only certain occupation. This is wrong view. Both girls and boys are capable of doing things equally. So Sanjeev Kapoor, being a man, is one of the most famous chef in India. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian born woman astronaut. Right? So these are the different people, those who did different work. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.